I need you to go back to the old lady's house.
For what?
She says that her air conditioner still isn't working right.
I told you she's just looking for a boyfriend for her granddaughter, and she is way too young for me.
She did return your radio, and business is pretty lousy right now.
Yeah, but
Humor the old lady. Just go over there and give her air conditioning system our 30-point preventive maintenance check and fix what's broken.
this will be the fastest preventive maintenance call I ever did.
That's what I want to hear. Now go get the money.
My granddaughter is thinking about going into the field of HVAC. What kind of education does she need?
There are many good trade schools, and you may want to check to see if the community college has any courses.
College sounds fun.
Is it dangerous work?
It is very dangerous work.
You'll have to be able to climb up and down tall ladders and be able to carry that ladder. And work with high electrical voltage.
Oh my.
And it's extremely technical too.
Oh my.
Maybe Becky could follow you around today as you fix our air conditioner.
I guess I can't stop you, can I?
Look! I made these chocolate muffins for you and my granddaughter, Becky. Did you get a job, moron?
No. Where's Becky?
She's out in the garage learning AC from the nice AC man.
Let's see here.
I'll be right behind you. If I fall, will you come take care of me?
This is not happening.
Becky, you get down here. Are you crazy?
Grandma told me to. Ah, Daddy, no!
Whoa!